Hello. When you grow our own food naturally in 100% in Dubai, so first thing come to mind, come on, it will be ultimate to grow the stuff in land. Yeah. So here's opportunity for Dubai Silicon Oasis community. Okay, this is Dubai Silicon Oasis Authority. The residents have a chance to grow their own food in a allotted flat. It's a community farm. Yeah, this is the entrance. Yes, we're going inside now. And here we have allotted, residents will be allotted specific area, and for example, like, so they can choose their own way. And here is only our Harniji is having a flat. Not only that, Mr. Venkat is there, and three other from our group, they are having a flat. That's allotted flat for growing their own vegetable and fruits. Okay, now, and this is a they're having a the timing and how the irrigation goes, how the flat goes. See? Okay, this is one of their residents' flat. They grown beautifully the chili. Well, this is brinjal. This is even people, they do this kind of arrangement as well to make it more beautiful. Using the used pallets, they made it such beautifully for partition. And the person is going there for Harniji. See, this is the way also the people they used to do. They use the nets. This is beautiful as well. Harniji, what's the flat number? 36? 316. 36, Mr. Lawrence, and Mr. Venkat is there. We'll call him a while. Now we exactly reached our Harniji's flat, and this is the exact area. This is the area is 30 by 60. Okay, and it covers from here. See. So yeah, this is it. This is the allotted plot for Harniji, and in this area they have got the land is free and the watering also free. So what else we need to have? Basically fertilize the land. That one area can be chosen, and you can directly dump vegetable food waste, rotate the soil bit, and then the watering already happening, and then soil will fertile within 3 weeks time. So same way, see? Yeah.
This is where I have dumped all these.
You can see that that algae formation.
Tomatoes are popping out.
Oh.
From the waste that.
The waste dumped.
Yes.
All tomatoes.
And this one also from the waste.
Waste only. So onion.
Growing on its own.
and coriander as well. These are spinach varieties.
This one is also from potato growing from the. I used to dump here and there.
Okay, basically you're trying to dump the corner areas, yeah? And then there only a lot of new stuff is, potatoes coming, onions are coming. Wow.
So I'll just mix it. I'll take this and put it on the top soil of all the other plants.
Oh, so that's the feed it is getting, so you can see the elastic growth. And you have the natural pest repellent. Gold. Mary, gold. Here it is. So now you would have got better idea what is community farming in Dubai Silicon Oasis.